Have you had a chance to visit Ollivanders Wand Shop at Universal Studios? Our first stop was to get interactive Harry Potter wands for the kids when we visited Universal Studios. Hi, I'm Stephanie Anderson, and I show entrepreneurs screen-free ways to entertain their kids so they can work from home. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you know when I produce new videos each week. And today I'm joined by Ashley and Will. So if you're visiting Universal Studios Hollywood, the first stop in Harry Potter World, or the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, is to go to Ollivanders Wand Shop. When you're there, you get to choose your very own wand, or your wand can choose you. So Will, why don't you tell us what happened when we stopped there?
Well, like in Ollivanders, there's usually like a 30-minute wait. That's like the average wait time, and then you like go in, and then there's a small chance you'll get chosen by by a person, and then there's a really small chance. But if you do, you get to like go ahead of time, and like you're ahead of everybody else. But right here, I got.
But so after we did that, so after we went through the production where one person gets to choose their wand, or their wand chooses them. Then we went into the actual shop, and then what happens there?
Well, I got Lord Voldemort's wand. He's evil, but my mom asked the person about it, should she be worried about me having this? And he said, there is no bad wand, there's only a bad wizard or witch. So, I got it because I didn't want to be evil. I got it because if you open it up, it feels good on my hand because this spike, it goes like, my pinky slides in there, and then my thumb can go like right here. Can you see, like right here? And then I have perfect control, and someone said I have great wand casting spells. I mean, it was like skills, and I know it's because it feels good on my hand, and like I can move it really well.
That's great. Now Ashley, what wand did you choose, or what wand chose you?
Well, I didn't choose a one from a person in Harry Potter, a particular one. I chose one that was all me. This is a holy wand, and it is. I feel like this has better control than Will's. 'Cause I think that it is hard to slide it in the pinky, and I don't like how the bone is up with the arm. I think this is better, like this. And it said that the person who has a holy wand has natural healing and so and so, and I think that it really described me.
And also, can I share?
Sure.
Well, this is like a map, and it has spells.
When you get an interactive wand, it has a gold marking on the side, and you also get a map, and it shows you where within Harry Potter you can cast spells.
My favorite one is Wingardium Leviosa.
Wingardium Leviosa.
Yeah, it's right here. It's really easy because all you do is
spin twitches.
All you do is you basically do and actually a lot of the spells are letters. Like for example, number 4 is it's for like the Loctic music box, and one is a circle. Another's an H, one's a Z, one's a triangle, and there's a lot of shapes.
There's an R, there's a P, there's
an R and P and D.
So after you get the interactive wand, you can leave the shop and go throughout Harry Potter World, and you can cast spells into the shop windows using your interactive wand. And you must do it just in the right shape of the letter or the design.
And my favorite.
And if you do that, then things will move inside the windows.
My favorite ride is one, it's called Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey. It's really cool because there's Dementors, and it really explains. It's actually tough, and it feels like you're playing Quidditch, and I feel like it's a great way to understand all about Harry Potter. And if you've never gone, maybe after you buy a wand, you go to that, and then you'll learn a lot of things about Harry Potter.
And just so you know, it's rated thrill ride, but it's not scary.
Yeah. And Flight of the Hippogriff, My mom went on it and she said it was really, really scary and she doesn't like rides, but she says it should be rated thrill ride. And I watched it and it doesn't actually look like it's family friendly. It looks like it should be thrill, and then the Harry Potter one should be family friendly.
So we'll be doing another video about the rides at Universal Studios Harry Potter World. But for now, let us know in the comments, do you have a favorite Harry Potter wand or character? We'd love to know. So let us know in the comments.
Expelliarmus!
If you aren't able to visit Universal Studios, Ashley's come up with a way you can make your very own Harry Potter wand. Here's what you're gonna need. A skewer, like for grilling, meats or making fruit kebabs, a low heat glue gun, which is great activity for smaller children because you really can't burn yourself on this too much, and gold spray paint.
So this is the finished product. Sorry if you can't see that very well. I made it look like the Elder Wand because I thought that was cool. And then, so step 1 is take the skewer and the hot glue gun and you want to make a pattern of some sort. And when it's done, it should look something like this or anything you want.
I'll hold it for you.
I made a spiral one. And then you got to take the
Gold spray paint.
gold spray paint and you spray it and then you gotta let it dry, and when it's done it'll look like this.
So now you know what to do when you first visit Harry Potter World at Universal Studios. But what are you going to do to keep your kids busy the rest of the time? I wrote a 3-page guide that you can grab yours below, and it's all about setting up long-lasting play activities for your kids.
If you like this video, give it a like.
And share it with your friends. And comment below with your favorite Harry Potter characters.
Expelliarmus!
Wingardium Leviosa.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.